My name is Adrian, and I'm here today to introduce you to Nureva's HDL300 audio conferencing system. It's powered by an innovation in audio technology called microphone mist. To ensure you're heard from anywhere in the room, microphone mist fills your meeting space with 8,192 virtual microphones. You might not realize this, but what you're hearing is the audio being captured by Skype through the HDL300. You're hearing exactly what a remote participant would hear. You can imagine that in a scenario like this, I would need to go from group to group, hand out materials, make sure that ideas are being discussed. As I move about the room, a traditional audio system would have a hard time keeping up with me. That's because it's designed to cover just the area it's set up in. It's static. The HDL300 lets me be confident that I can be heard by the remote participants. I can address people at table 1 and at table 2, and even directly engage my remote participants. Right now you can see I'm sitting about 25 feet away from the HDL300, and thanks to the virtual microphones, it has no problem picking up my voice. No need for me to speak unnaturally or change the way I talk. A traditional audio system would have a hard time keeping up unless there was a boundary mic somewhere near me. Thanks to the virtual microphones, I can be confident that I'm heard no matter where I am in the room. Thanks to the HDL300's microphone mist, I'm free to walk about the room. I can engage with a participant here. I can speak to someone personally here. I am confident that there are always a few mics around to capture whatever it is I'm saying. I can keep moving around the room freely. I can pace and do all of the things I would normally do to make a presentation great for the people in the room. And now, thanks to the HDL300, the remote participants as well.